Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add frames on Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So on this homepage, you can see this plus button on the middle. Tap on this. So you can add your own photo or add a blank project for now. So a blank project is open. So in order to add frame, here on the right bottom, you can just scroll down. So as you can see, there's a frame option available here. Tap on frame option, so you can choose any one of these frames that are available here, and now we are done. So the frame is already in here. Now you can add your photo inside it or even write any text inside it. You can modify and adjust this frame as you want. So this is the easy and fastest way to add frame. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.